In this video, I'll show you how to change the language settings on Peacock really fast. Step 1. Log into your Peacock account. Open the Peacock app or go to peacocktv.com and sign in with your account credentials. Step 2. Play any video. Start playing any show or movie where you want to change the language or subtitles. Step 3. Open the language options. Click the speech bubble icon or audio and subtitles button, usually located at the bottom of the video player. Step 4. Change audio language. Select your preferred audio track. This can be English, Spanish, or whatever language you like, if multiple options are available. Step 5. Change subtitle language. Select your preferred subtitle language or turn off subtitles as desired. Step 6. Adjust interface language if supported. Go to account settings, then preferences. Then change the UI or app language if this is available. Now I have some tips for language settings. Remember, settings may vary by device and app version. Some content may be limited to specific language tracks only, and you can update your apps regularly for the latest features. And that's how you change your language settings on Peacock. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe.